Welcome to our Capacitive touchscreen manufacturing workshop. Here, innovation meets precision in every production process. Advanced automated equipment ensures efficient and consistent manufacturing. Every component is processed with strict quality standards. Our experienced technicians carefully monitor each production stage. From precision machining to sensor assembly, every detail matters. Modern production lines deliver stable quality and high efficiency. Each touch panel is thoroughly inspected for accuracy and reliability. Rigorous testing ensures excellent touch performance and long-term durability. Our products support industrial, medical, automotive, smart home, and commercial applications. Every touch screen reflects our commitment to quality and innovation. Reliable touch solutions. Precision you can trust. Every production step is carefully controlled to ensure consistent quality.